Hello ATPF families, my name is Jamon Draker and today I'm going to be showing you guys a platform which I use to entertain myself when I'm bored. This platform is known by many. It was created by former PayPal employees Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Kareem. They created the service in February 2005, and this platform is called YouTube. So on YouTube, when I'm bored during quarantine, I just go on here and just watch some of the trending videos, and it actually helps me keep myself entertained. YouTube has like a variety of videos, whether it be the news, like funny videos, memes, and movie trailers and all that. It has everything and anything you want, like tutorials. I highly recommend this for anyone who's bored. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.